tell by the title, I already know why you're here. So let's just hop right into it, shall we? I'm ready to enter my bad era, and we gonna do just that in this video today. Today we are going to comb out the ends of these locks, just because I just like the aesthetic and I like how I like the little cute curly ends. When I did my first set of locks, I had that type of vibe going on. I'll insert a picture, but we bringing it back. My hair is crusty, it is dusty. I have not washed my hair in 2 months. I am embarrassed as to why I would do that to myself. My scalp, when I tell you my scalp's so dry, needs to be washed. I need a fresh retwist. I need to bring it back all the way together, okay? If you want to know any of the products that I'm using in this video, everything will be linked in the description box. If you're new to the gang, what's up? Welcome. My name is Makeda Thomas, okay? We're gonna comb out the ends of the locks first, and then we're gonna go into the whole wash routine, then retwist, and then final look. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna wet my hair because it is very dry. Let's get it fully nice and saturated. Not dripping wet, but saturated. Had to give y'all a little flex real quick. You know, I had to show y'all my length. Don't play with it. I like truly love my locks. If you watched my last video, go check it out. I truly am loving my lock experience, and it also makes me really happy to like be able to share it with you guys as well, because on the YouTube platform, for sure, I don't see many lock influencers, and that sucks, because when I'm trying to look, when I first started my journey, and I didn't know what the heck I was doing, and I was trying to look for ways to protect my hair, ways to how to moisturize locks, how to style locks, short locks, barely any videos, and if there is videos, they were years ago. So trying to be that vessel and bring out some lock content for my lock girlies. All right, so now my hair is moisturized. Well, not moisturized, but it is saturated with water. I'm going to section it off into 4 different sections. I'm gonna use these little scrunchies, link in bio. Don't be shy, check it out. Brought this little container. I'm gonna put some water in it. Right in my handy dandy sink, like so. Seen somebody do it and I was like, ooh, that's kind of smart, girl. We're gonna go like that to it. Bow, bow, bow. So we can get really saturated. And then I'm gonna go in with my conditioner. Put a little oop on there. And we just go put a little bit of that and just moisturize that in there real nice. Like, ooh, yeah. Once you feel like it's done got real soft and juicy, start combing it out with the tail comb, rat tail comb. I know some people like cut the ends. I'm not cutting the ends, because then I'm not. We are just gonna do our best here and see what we can get out of it. Look like with a little curly Sue at the end. Little curly Sue at the end. My arm is already tired. I'm only on the first one. So I'm gonna add some more conditioner on there. A beautiful combed out lock with a little curly Sue at the end. I love it, it's beautiful. This is how much hair came out of that one lock. Okay, nothing too crazy. I'm like, that's like, oh my God, you're gonna lose so much hair. That's where people just be acting like they just know everything. My hair is not your hair, girl. Mind your business. You get it. We just gonna repeat this process. Eyes will be back. All right, y'all, so I have completed the back section. This probably took me like 30 minutes, maybe 45 to get into it. Ooh. I love it, it's so pretty. I haven't even washed my hair or retwisted it. I don't think y'all ready. Are you ready? Because I don't think you are. I combed out about like an inch and a half maybe. That's what that looks like. It's been like 30 minutes, literally. And I only have 1 row left on this side, but this is how it looks. I'm getting to it. Period. I freaking love it. Like, look at this side. Hee hee ha ha. Y'all, I got a bald spot if you didn't know. I don't know how to let the hair grow back there, but it's just bald. Ain't nothing growing there, ever. One side of my head is completely Done with combing out the ends. Get into it. Ooh, she cute. She's pretty. I'm gonna take them all out so that you guys can all see the difference, man. We just transformed the look. They don't even know it yet, though. I got a little curly fro, but I don't. It's locked with curly ends, yeah. Period. You see the difference. You see the baddie coming through. You see it halfway, but we almost there on the other side. Now we're gonna get into washing my hair. It hasn't been washed in 2 months. It's been a very long time. My scalp, it aches. First, I'm gonna go in with my Intense Hydration Shampoo, just to lift up all that dirt and that scum off that hair. And then after that, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna be trying out some new products today. This product is by Briogeo. It's their Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. My scalp really needs it, so I'm excited for this micro exfoliant shampoo. Smells good. It smells like charcoal, kind of smells minty fresh, like some bubble gum. I'm really just gonna try to focus this on my scalp, honestly, and then I'm gonna finish up with my Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing and Anti-Breakage Shampoo by Malee. This right here, fire, smells delicious because I feel like my hair really needs that extra TLC. We're gonna be doing a deep conditioner that is also by that same brand, Briogeo. This is their Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. If you guys do want to check them out, I will link their Amazon in my description box. Really, that's all that came out from my whole head of combing out all of the ends. That's pretty good. I thought I was gonna lose a lot more hair, but it's really just like a palm amount. It's a win-win for me. But without further ado, meet me at the shampoo station. Let's go. Alright y'all, so I just got done adding that conditioner in and I am about to deep condition, put a shower cap on. But before I do that, I am going to add some of my own conditioner just because this is a good conditioner, but I expected it to give me more. I expected it to make my locks feel more like softer than they do, being a conditioner and a deep conditioner at that. So still a good product, but just need this to add a little bit of oomph. Alright y'all, it is 2 a.m. in the morning. My hair is freshly washed out and it's time to get this retwist done. We're gonna make this shabby. Just gonna run through it, just do a quick little retwist. I'll show you guys what I do in the front and then I'm gonna do the back off camera. Alrighty, I'm tired. It's about to be, I think it is already 3 o'clock now. It's been an hour. Usually the front takes the longest because I try to find all of the parts, but the back, I can't see back there. So we ain't worried about them parts in the back. I'm gonna finish the rest. By the time I finish, I'm probably just gonna leave the clips in overnight so that my hair can fully dry before I take the clips out, just to ensure that the retwist lasts for a good time. So I will see you guys in the morning. What is up, y'all? It has been, honestly, okay, first of all, I started my hair at, I think, 2 o'clock in the morning, did not finish till 7 a.m., did not go to sleep until like 12 in the afternoon. So I was up for over damn near like over 24 hours. Anyways, we're here. I slept with them. I wanted them to dry a little bit. So you see these eyebrows? Let me know if y'all want an eyebrow tutorial for real, because I'll really give it to you, okay? Because on fleek. Stop playing. Hopefully they are dry by now. They were pretty like on the wet side when I finished, so I wanted to give it as much time as I could, but I'm about to go to the gym, so it's time to take them down. So what we're about to do, we're about to take the clips out, and I got some jewels. Jewel up these locks, make them look real sexy and juicy. All of these stuff I got from Amazon. Link in bio, don't be shy. If you want them to, go check it out. I'm like, my hair getting so long, I don't know what to do with myself. Get away. With it down, it's doing too much with it down. But it looks so pretty. But like, it looks awkward at the same time. So I'm gonna have to do a style. So now we're gonna bedazzle. Don't know what to bedazzle with. Last time I used these that are in, please don't fall, please. These that are in here. So now it's like, I wanna try something new. I'm thinking about trying one of these. These look pretty cool. That be touching my shoulder. Y'all better stop freaking playing. Stop playing. It's touching my shoulder. This is pretty much the end of this video of me transforming my locks, and I absolutely just fell in love with them 10 times more. I had so much fun filming this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. Be sure to like, comment on this video if you did enjoy it. Be sure to check out my description box. I have all the links to every single product I used in this video. Also, subscribe, join the Glow Gang family, become a sexy mother like me. Let's stay connected. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok. Comment any video suggestions you guys want to see from me. Are you guys enjoying this lock content? I really am, like, cause I just did that, girl. I love you guys. Stay sexy. Glow Gang, you already know, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!